Airbnb cleaning or short-term rental cleaning is one of the side hustles that can grow into a business that does not cost very much to start up, if at anything at all. The main thing is you have to be one of those people who is willing to put yourself out there and contact people through the Airbnb platform, through any local Facebook pages where you can see people are advertising their short-term rental house. Startup costs can be next to nothing because most of the time you use the equipment that is there to clean the Airbnb. All these Airbnb hosts need someone to clean between each stay. So if you reach out a lot, you're probably gonna land one. And most of the time they have everything you need. The vacuum cleaners, all the cleaning supplies, usually the solution. You know, obviously there's gonna be some who expect you to have it, but in most cases, the Airbnb owner has it. So I own an Airbnb, and the way that I found my cleaner is he contacted us. He's not to the level that I'm gonna get to in a second. He just does ours, that's it, but it's extra money for him. Now how you scale this is you do as many as you can by yourself, and then once you get to a point where you can't, you hire on someone and you pay them less than what you charge. If you charge $30 to $40 per hour to clean, which is not unheard of, $40 is kind of normal, you pay the other person 20 bucks. Now you're making 20 bucks, you know, 18 bucks, whatever it is, after paying them. You're making money for other people working for you. Now you're just becoming like the person who answers the phone calls and organizes and does logistics. And sure, you might be out doing some of your own jobs too, making the full $40 an hour, but don't be scared of hiring people. When you hire people, you raise your potential to make more money. You are leveraging their time and making money on top of them. So if you've got 5 people out doing a bunch of houses and you're paying them all $20 an hour, but you're charging $40 an hour, you are making $100 an hour to do nothing besides answer phone calls and manage these people. So like I said, you have to be the kind of person who's going to put yourself out there and look for the opportunities. Opportunities are not just going to come to you. Yeah, you can build a website. Yeah, you can make a Facebook page, but the main way you're going to get these opportunities is getting out there and trying to talk to people and trying to contact people. And it's as scalable as your market will allow. If your market is a big vacation area, then you are going to be able to get a lot of houses. If, you know, there's not that many Airbnbs and short-term rentals around, it's not that scalable. You might want to pivot to not only just doing short-term rentals, but also doing weekly or bi-weekly cleanings of people's houses. But this is a very scalable business that you can start for not much money, sometimes zero.